Today I'm here to explain about this question. So let's get started with number A first. Sine theta is equivalent to square root of 3 over 2, and you need to find the value of theta. To solve this question, you need to know special angles. You need to remember two special angles, which is the right angle with 60 degrees and 30 degrees, and also looks so ugly, right angle with 45 degrees and 45 degrees. In the case of the triangle with 60 degrees, the ratio of the length is going to be 1 to square root of 3. And in the triangle with 45 degrees, it's going to be 1 square root of 2. If you have no idea about this, please check out my previous videos. But anyway, you need to know this knowledge to solve this question. Then number A, it's given that sine theta is equal to square root of 3 over 2. This means you need to find the triangle which creates sine theta is equivalent to square root of 3. Square root of 3 over 2, sorry. How to find it? So let me sketch a triangle, right triangle here. Then do you remember sine theta is opposite of hypotenuse, and opposite is the side here, and hypotenuse is side here, I mean the longest side. Then this question, it says sine theta is square root of 3 over 2. So this means opposite is square root of 3 and hypotenuse is 2. Then sine theta is going to be square root of 3 over 2. Isn't it familiar with you? Yes, you've just seen it here. The triangle with 1 to square root of 3. This means that the angles in these triangles are also going to be 60 degrees, 30 degrees. This is special angles of triangles. So if you can sketch the triangle, you can find out the degrees here. So theta is going to be 60 degrees. But you can't finish it yet. That's because you have 4 possibilities of the theta. I mean, the first one is here, 60 degrees. The second one is here, 120 degrees. The third one is here. The fourth one here. Okay. And also, in the case of sine theta, depending on which quadrant the theta is in, the positive, it's different from positive or negative. I mean, if the theta is in first quadrant, the value is going to be positive, and in second quadrant as well. But third and fourth quadrant is going to be negative. If you have no idea what I'm talking right now, please check out my previous video. You need to know quadrant. Okay. In this case, the value is positive, so the theta is going to be in first or second quadrant. And of course, first quadrant is the smallest angle, so the value is 60 degrees. Okay. And then let's work on one more question. Secant theta is equivalent to negative square root of 2. I don't like secant, so let me convert it into cosine. Secant theta is a reciprocal of cosine theta. So cosine theta is equivalent to negative 1 over square root of 2. Let me sketch a triangle. Triangle is like this one. This one is 1, this one is square root of 2. So this value is going to be 45 degrees. This is special angles. And again, you need to find the theta in xy coordinate. And the value of cosine is negative. And in the case of cosine, first quadrant is positive, and fourth quadrant is positive as well. And second and third quadrant is negative. So the theta is going to be either in second quadrant or third quadrant. And second quadrant is smaller than third quadrant. So it's going to be here. This one is 45 degrees. But you need to find, this one is 45 degrees. But you need to find the angles from here. So this one is 90, this one is 45. 90 plus 45 is 135 degrees. That's it. So what you have to do is you need to sketch a triangle from the equation here. Then after you find the triangle, you need to make sure the value, if it's positive or negative, then you find the angles. That's it.